Today, Mars is cold, silent, a frozen desert where nothing seems to move. Its thin atmosphere offers little protection. Its rivers are gone. Its oceans have vanished. Looking at Mars today, it's difficult to imagine that this barren world may once have looked surprisingly familiar, because billions of years ago, Mars wasn't just another red planet. It may have been a world of rivers, vast lakes, perhaps even oceans. And wherever liquid water exists, one question always follows. Could Mars once have been alive? For decades, scientists believed Mars had always been cold and dry, but mission after mission began revealing a very different story. Ancient river valleys stretch across its surface, deltas almost identical to those found on Earth, minerals that could only have formed in the presence of liquid water. Today, few scientists doubt that billions of years ago, water flowed across Mars. Some estimates suggest the northern hemisphere may even have contained an ocean, a world that no longer exists. Water alone doesn't create life, but here on Earth, every form of life we've ever discovered depends on it. Early Mars appears to have had liquid water, energy, essential chemical elements, many of the ingredients life requires. Could simple microbial organisms have emerged there? We don't know. Despite decades of exploration, no mission has yet discovered convincing evidence that life ever existed on Mars. But the search is far from over. If Mars once looked so much like Earth, what happened? Scientists believe the answer began deep beneath its surface. Unlike Earth, Mars eventually lost its global magnetic field. Without that invisible shield, the solar wind slowly stripped away its atmosphere. As the atmosphere disappeared, temperatures fell, water evaporated or froze beneath the surface. Over hundreds of millions of years, a living world became the silent planet we see today. Yet Mars may not remain silent forever. For billions of years, life on this planet, if it ever existed, has been gone. But for the first time, another form of life is preparing to make the journey. NASA continues to search for signs that Mars was once alive. At the same time, SpaceX is developing the technology that could one day carry humans there. If that future becomes reality, Mars could once again become a world where life exists, not because life survived for billions of years, but because it returned with us. For billions of years, Mars has waited, silent, empty, frozen beneath an endless sky. But perhaps one day, another sunrise will fall upon this world, not on an empty planet, but on the first human footsteps beyond Earth. We are only one species living on a small planet, orbiting an ordinary star, and yet, somehow, the universe gave rise to creatures capable of looking across the darkness, not with fear, but with hope, driven by the same curiosity that once made us look up at the stars. We now find ourselves reaching toward another world. If that day comes, it will not simply mark the moment humanity reaches Mars. It will mark something far greater, the moment our curiosity carries us farther than we have ever traveled before. Perhaps the universe will never remember our names, but if consciousness is truly as rare as it appears to be, then every step we take beyond Earth becomes part of something extraordinary, A universe, slowly becoming aware of itself. Perhaps the greatest mystery is not whether Mars once held life. Perhaps the greatest mystery is whether humanity can become the kind of civilization capable of bringing life to another world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, please consider liking this video, sharing it with someone who loves mysteries, and subscribing to The Cosmic Unknown. Together, we'll continue exploring the greatest mysteries of our universe.